Ginseng. Ginseng, also known as Panarex ginseng, is a fleshy root typically found in cooler climates in the northern hemisphere, and it's known to be native to Korea, China, and North America. In Latin, the word panax means cure all. Panax ginsengs are adaptogenic herbs. Adaptogens is a generic word used to describe remedies which increase the resistance of organisms to a broad spectrum of physical, chemical, and biological harmful factors like stress, disease, and fatigue. The main active ingredient in ginseng is ginsenoside, which is a saponin. Ginsenosides are also found in the leaves and stalk of the ginseng plant, but the fleshy root possesses the greatest concentration of the same. Approximately 29 ginsenosides have been found in a ginseng root. Ginseng also contains several steroid compounds such as panaxirol, which are remarkably similar to anabolic steroids found naturally in the human body. Siberian ginseng is from the same family, but not the true ginseng, and its active compound is aloe thyroside. Where to buy ginseng? Ginseng is usually available online or in most grocery stores along with other herbs. How to take ginseng? Overall, daily doses of 1 to 2 grams of raw ginseng root or 200 to 400 milligrams of extract are suggested. Ginseng weight loss recipe. Ingredients: 8 slices ginseng root, honey to taste if you like, 8 cups of water. How to prepare? There are 2 methods of making this tea, with a tea ball and without a tea ball. With a tea ball, gather all the ingredients. If you have a tea ball, then shave pieces of fresh ginseng root and put them into the tea ball. Steep in very hot but not boiling water for 5 minutes. Add honey to taste. Without a tea ball. If you don't wish to use the tea ball, peel the ginseng root and make 7 or 8 thin slices. Coat the ginseng with a generous amount of honey and let it sit for 15 minutes. Pour a very hot but not boiling water over the ginseng and honey and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Scoop or drain out ginger slices. Benefits. The primary function by which ginseng assists in losing weight is through better regulation of blood glucose levels. It helps us produce more insulin, increases our sensitivity to existing insulin, reduces insulin resistance, and reduces cell death in our pancreas. Ginseng has been used for thousands of years in Asian countries to boost energy, relieve stress, improve concentration, and enhance physical and cognitive performance. It is claimed to be a general restorative, tonic, or adaptogen which restores the body's balance, enhances stamina, and increases resistance to stress and disease. Precaution. Ginseng can cause and aggravate insomnia. High doses of Asian ginseng have been linked with insomnia. If you have trouble sleeping, use Asian ginseng with caution. People with diabetes need to be careful with ginseng. Ginseng may affect blood sugar levels, so people taking drugs for diabetes shouldn't use ginseng without talking to their healthcare providers first. Ginseng can cause allergic reactions. Panax ginseng seems to increase the activity of the immune system. It might make autoimmune diseases worse. Don't use Panax ginseng if you have any autoimmune condition.